Feeling tired, bloated, and breaking out? You are not alone. Many of us are dealing with silent inflammations in our bodies without even knowing it. But what if the solution was not complicated? In this video, we're going to be sharing 5 anti-inflammatory foods that you should eat every day and why your body would thank you for it. Let's start with the basics. What is inflammation? Inflammation is your body's way of defending itself, like a natural alarm system. When you get a cut or catch a cold, your body sends out immune cells to help you heal. That is good inflammation. But when that response doesn't turn off, when your body stays in fight mode for too long, it becomes chronic. That's when the problem begins. Chronic inflammation has been linked to problems like weight gain, fatigue, foggy eyes, skin breakout, joint pain, and some diseases like diabetes. One major trigger: the food we eat. Our diet can either reduce inflammation or make it worse. Processed snacks, sugar-filled drinks, deep-fried foods. All these can keep your body stuck in a cycle of inflammation and stress. But some food do the opposite. Anti-inflammatory foods help your body calm down, repair itself, and restores balance. They are natural, affordable, and available at your local market. So how do you know if your body needs help? Here are some common signs. You feel tired all the time, even after sleeping. You are constantly bloated or uncomfortable after eating. You experience unexplained weight gain. Your skin keeps breaking out. You struggle to focus or feel foggy in the brain. You have frequent aches, body pains, or stiffness. If this sounds familiar, your body may be going through ongoing inflammation and asking for a change. Let's begin with turmeric, the bright yellow spice that has been used for centuries. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Even a small amount added to food or drinks can support your body's healing process. For best results, combine it with a pinch of black pepper. It helps the body absorb it even better. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They are more than just sweet treats. They are loaded with antioxidants that helps your body fight off inflammation. Plus, they are high in fiber and great for your guts. And the great part is you can enjoy them in smoothies, oatmeal, or as a snack on their own. Think spinach, kale, and collard greens. These veggies are packed with minerals and vitamins, especially vitamin K, which plays a major role in reducing inflammation. They also support bone health, heart health, and digestion. Try adding a few to your next meal or smoothie. Fish like sardine, mackerel, and salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. If you are a plant-based individual, then you can also obtain omega-3 from walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. These are filled with healthy fats, fibers, as well as antioxidants. They help to reduce inflammation and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Now, let's be honest. You're not going to see dramatic changes in just a few days. But with consistency, you will notice more energy, clearer skin, less bloating, better digestion, and a more balanced mood. Think of it like watering a plant. With time, care, and the right ingredients, your body will begin to thrive. Adding just a few of these anti-inflammatory foods to your daily diet can make a big difference. No extreme diet, no expensive supplements, just real food working with your body and not against it. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which are you curious to try? Let us know in the comments. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who would need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips that you can actually use.